I'm going to show you how to work a stacked double crochet, which can be used in place of a chain 3. So first of all, I'm going to show you why we might want to use that instead. So I'm starting a new round, and I'm actually using a different colour for this round, and I've slip stitched into the first stitch to join. Then I'm going to do a chain 3, which is a really common way of starting a new round. And then I'm going to treble into the next stitch, and this round is all worked in the back loop only. And you can see we've got quite a big gap just there, and that can look a little bit unsightly. So I'm going to pull that back and pull down my chain 3 apart from the first chain. And then I'm going to work a double crochet into the stitch that the slip stitch has been made into. So this first stitch of the previous round. So I'm going to work a double crochet now, and then I'm going to insert my hook right between the legs of this stitch, so sort of straight through the middle of it. If you look at my hook, you can see I've got like what looks like 2 loops. That's the legs of the stitch, or the loop that's coming out of the previous stitch. So then I'm going to yarn over and pull through, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through too. And you can see I've now got a taller and wider stitch coming out of there, and it's essentially 2 double crochets on top of each other. And then if I carry on working my treble crochets in the next few stitches, you'll see that that looks a lot more like these other stitches, and although there's a little bit of a gap, it's reduced quite a lot. So it's a neater way of doing that. I hope you find that helpful.